outcome. I could control the outcome with alcohol. It's very important because that was the certainty, yeah? The security in my life. To be able to control the outcome.
Great civilization, they know how to use wine and alcohol. They know that there are steps, no? They give names to the different steps of drunkenness.
This huge mega machine system created, covered the world with a layer of yeah, you could call it dark matter. It's not the right expression, but of sick matter. I mean, it's a fact that in the moment, if you go with a plane or if you go with the Eros with a UFO over the world, you see the human being spreading like cancer. You see the structure of, you see the mega cities and the metropolitan regions and things like that. We have interacted so much with our materialistic mathematical point of view that we change the structure of the world, which doesn't belong to us, not at all.
But when I first stopped drinking, it was beyond my control. I could not control it. You know, it controlled me. It drove me. I had no room.
The searching for perfection. I always wanted to be, yeah, like a machine. I'm a very emotional person, but nobody sees this ever, because I cannot express it, not at all. I hide it inside. I have a very odd idea of perfection. It's not really that it's strange, because that I think it is what perfection means, the word itself. I want to be a human which is not ruled by emotions and feelings and targets. I want to work like a machine. I hated to be ill. It's I think human beings are weak. Maybe every being is weak. Maybe I think a lion is also weak in his kind of way. But I would like to act like a robot, something which cannot be harmed. And I know that will never happen.
Hier gibt es welche, die ganz langsam sind. Und es ist wunderbar, dass du mal langsam bist, sonst ist immer die anderen, die langsam sind. Ne? Guck mal, das heißt, der eine, der noch langsamer ist, als vielleicht.
You're great, baby. You're really great. Because now we are talking about there's someone else. They take over about these people. They are, I mean, they are responsible for these people, right?
Yes, everyone has this.
I understand. Okay.
And you want to question that in your documentary.
Yeah, let's talk a little bit about it. Let's talk about an interview, maybe just me and you, whatever. Just I need to figure out that. I need to let understand the people.
Is this your main question?
It's not main question, it's one of
One of the questions.
I think it's not really an average experience in a way. One of my best friends was an alcoholic when he was
Former alcoholic.
when he was 16.
Wow.
So we had a very early start. We started drinking in these little places, you know, where people. So basically, we didn't use drugs; we used wine, you know. So that's the kind of idea. What's my experience? Well, generally speaking, it's an old tradition in Italy to drink wine. So you drink wine at meals, you drink wine at dinner. That's the culture of farmers and so on. I mean, wine plays a big role in Italy. Anglo-Saxon in a way, which is very much what's going on in England. People go out to get drunk. So the Japanese and also Chinese, when you drink, you know, the old man will observe you and see how you behave. So obviously they use it as a tool to find out more about people, especially to find out about employees, especially about people they want to do business with. So it's a little subtle, but it's some kind of way to meet, you know, to get a little bit deeper.